Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
For a classic cornbread dressing, start with quality cornbread baked a day ahead. Cool and crumble into 4 cups. You will need 4 cups crumbled cornbread, 2 cups diced onion, 1 cup diced celery. Use 4 large eggs and 2 cups chicken stock to bind the dressing. Add 1 cup chopped parsley and 2 teaspoons poultry seasoning for depth. Make sure you have 4 tablespoons butter, salt, and 1 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper ready. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F. Start by melting 4 tablespoons butter in a skillet over medium heat, then sauté 2 cups diced onion and 1 cup diced celery in 4 tablespoons butter until soft, 8 minutes. Add 2 cloves minced garlic, cook 1 minute, then transfer vegetables to a large bowl. Crumble 4 cups cornbread into a large bowl and add sautéed vegetables. Stir in 4 large beaten eggs and 2 cups chicken stock until moist but not soggy. Season with 2 teaspoons poultry seasoning, 1 teaspoon salt, and a half teaspoon pepper. Transfer the mixed dressing into a buttered 9x 13-inch pan and smooth the top evenly. Bake in a buttered 9x 13-inch pan at 350 degrees F for 35 to 40 minutes until the top is golden and a knife inserted near center comes out clean. For a crisper top, uncover for the last 10 minutes. Let rest 10 minutes before serving to set the texture and make slicing easier. Refrigerate leftovers within 2 hours for up to 4 days, and reheat covered at 325 degrees F until warm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.